Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today. Let me ask you a tough question. What do you do when someone knows they're hurting you and still does it anyway? Do you fight back, go silent, break down, or do you rise above? We've all met them, the ones who lie with a smile, who betray your trust with no regret, who cause pain not by accident but by choice. The Stoics didn't run from this reality. They faced it with stillness and strength. And today, we're going to walk the same path, together. Because how you respond defines not just the moment, but the kind of person you are becoming. Strategy 1. Don't mirror their darkness. Reflect your light. When someone hurts you on purpose, it's tempting to hurt them back, to lash out, to give them a taste of their own medicine. But the Stoics teach something more powerful. You don't have to become like them. Their cruelty is a mirror of their own inner world, not a command for you to lower your standards. If you answer with bitterness, you become a reflection of their chaos. But if you stay calm, kind, grounded, you show the difference between noise and dignity. Let them scream, you stay silent. Let them spin in their storm, you stand in the sun. As Seneca reminds us, a good character, once formed, becomes a shield. And walking away quietly, that's not weakness, that's wisdom. Protect your peace, not by sinking to their level, but by rising so high they disappear beneath you. Strategy 2. Use their harm as inner training. Some people don't hurt you by accident. They do it with precision, to get a reaction, to break you or to feed their ego. But what if their harm could become your teacher? The Stoics believed that adversity is the greatest form of training. So when someone tries to cut you down, don't just ask, "Why me?" Ask, "What is this preparing me for?" Their insult can become your practice ground for emotional control. Their betrayal, a lesson in letting go. Their silence, an invitation to listen deeper within yourself. Every wound becomes a weight. You either let it crush you, or you use it to build muscle. Like a soldier preparing for battle, you learn to breathe through discomfort, to stand tall in unfairness, to let pain shape you without letting it define you. Because here's the truth. You can't control how they hurt you, but you can control what it turns you into. Will you be broken by pain? Or built by it? That's the question Stoicism asks, and your answer becomes your strength. Strategy 3. Set boundaries without bitterness. Being Stoic doesn't mean you tolerate abuse. It doesn't mean you let people walk over you in silence. It means you respond, not with rage, but with reason. So when someone crosses the line, don't fight, draw your boundary. Not with shouting, but with calm, clear energy. You don't have to make a scene. You don't need to punish them. You simply step back without drama because you've decided that your peace is too precious. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." And sometimes it's our own bitterness that builds the prison, not the person who hurt us. So don't let anger harden your heart. Let your distance speak with dignity. Your boundary is not revenge, it's clarity. It says, "I respect myself enough to walk away." They may get upset, they may not understand, but that's not your burden to carry. Your job is not to teach them a lesson, it's to honor your own values. Remember, true strength isn't loud, it's quiet, consistent, unshakable. And sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is to leave without resentment and never look back. Strategy 4. Refuse to carry their poison. When someone hurts you on purpose, they're not just trying to cause pain, they're hoping you'll carry that pain with you. They want their poison to live inside you, in your thoughts, in your heart, through anger, resentment, or obsession. But here's the Stoic truth. What they pour into your life is their choice. Whether you drink it is yours. Imagine they hand you a cup filled with bitterness. You don't have to sip it. You can set it down, walk away, and never let their chaos become your identity. As Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. So don't let their poison define your story. It will only cloud your thoughts, dim your peace, and bind you to them. Releasing their poison doesn't mean forgetting. It means freeing yourself. It means saying what they did won't live rent-free in my heart. Let your heart be light, not heavy with grudges. Your spirit is not a prison for their mistakes. It's a place for growth. So walk forward with clarity, not contamination. Let go, not to excuse them, but to reclaim you. Strategy 5. Respond with purpose, not emotion. People who hurt you intentionally aren't always seeking pain. They're seeking control. They want to trigger you, to drag you into their drama, to make your reaction the headline so they don't have to look at their actions. But the Stoic doesn't play that game. We don't react, we respond with purpose. Seneca wrote, "A wise man is indifferent to that which he cannot control." Your emotions, they're valid, but they should never drive your decisions, because when anger leads the way, you surrender the wheel. So instead of exploding, pause. Ask yourself, what does this moment require of the best version of me? Sometimes that means speaking up, firmly but calmly. Other times it means walking away without fanfare or fury. Either way you choose. You act with intention, not impulse. This is emotional mastery, and it's not about suppression. It's about leadership of your own mind. Responding with purpose protects your dignity, preserves your energy, and sends a powerful message. I won't let your chaos rewrite my character. Strategy 6. Let karma be the judge, not you. When someone hurts you deeply, it's natural to crave justice, to wish they'd feel what they made you feel, to imagine them being exposed or paying the price for what they did. But Stoicism teaches a different kind of strength. You are not the judge. You are not the executioner. Because every ounce of energy you spend seeking revenge is energy stolen from your healing, from your purpose, from your peace. Marcus Aurelius said, "Time is like a river. Everything is swept away." What they did, it won't be forgotten by the universe. You don't need to chase justice. Life has its own way of balancing things. Maybe not today, maybe not publicly, but truth has a way of surfacing, always. Let your development be your response. Let your progress be your power. Let your silence echo louder than revenge. Because when you chase revenge, you're still chasing them. But when you let go, you reclaim your direction. And here's the beautiful twist. Sometimes the most painful betrayals lead to the most powerful breakthroughs. You don't have to punish them, just don't let them change who you are. That's the highest victory. Conclusion. Rise above the wound. Some people hurt you just to see if you'll break. But the real power is not breaking at all. The Stoics remind us, strength isn't always in what you say, but in what you choose not to say. Not in how loud you shout, but in how calmly you walk away. So when someone intentionally hurts you, don't let their darkness define you. Don't let their chaos infect your calm. You don't owe them closure. You owe yourself healing. You don't need to explain your silence. You only need to protect your peace. Let your dignity speak louder than your defense. Let your stillness ripple louder than their noise. And above all, let what was meant to destroy you transform you into something unshakable. If this message moved you, please like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Stoic Wisdom today. Stay calm, stay grounded, and don't ever let someone's hate steal your inner strength. Thanks for watching, and keep walking your path with wisdom.